Ngwatanĩro ya Azimio rũhonge rwa Nairobi nĩgĩte na gĩikaro gĩa kwarĩrĩria njĩra iria njagĩrĩru cia kũiyũkia ũhotani wa iturwa cia ũmbunge thĩinĩ wa gĩthurano kĩnene twerekeire. Nderetio nĩ hamwe na mũbango wa gũtiganĩra mĩeke na kũrũgama kũrĩ arĩa maroneka ta marĩ na wĩtĩkĩrĩku mũnene gatagatĩ-inĩ ka aikia a kura.
Ilifanywa mzuri kabisa. Hapa Mathare ilisemekana kwamba tumeachia ODM. Sasa Mathare na Mheshimiwa Shebe Shuko hapa ataconfirm. Mathare we have only one candidate. Na ni wa ODM na anaitwa Anthony Holwood. The message you must take back home is that we need soldiers for Raila Amolo Odinga. Mathare must be Azimio.
Nawaomba wa ndugu zangu wa Jubilee na Wiper, hebu simama hapa. Huyu ndio candidate wa Raila Amolo Odinga. Huyu ndio candidate wa Uhuru Kenyatta. Huyu ndio candidate wa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka.
Tumefanyiwa zoning tukawachia Jubilee viti mbili ya Mlango Kubwa ward na Kia Michael ward. Alafu viti vine vya Huruma, Ngei, Mabatini na Hospital ward vikaachiwa ODM. So hawa madelegates wamekongamana hapa, wamekubaliana kwa kauli moja kwamba hivi viti vibaki na viwe vitachaguliwa vile zilikuwa zoned.
Kogena kwa munini wa President William Ruto haugete agĩkaiũkia ũhotani hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano kĩnene twerekeire. Kĩrĩa gĩtigarĩtie thikũ 42 tu. Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩgekĩrĩra kũgũithia thogora wa ũrigitani nĩguo Akenya matige kũherithĩka magĩcarania na motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ. Ruto arĩtie hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro na nyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kũrĩa augĩte thogora wa ũrigitani no ũnyihio kũngĩgĩa na mĩtaratara mĩega gatagatĩ-inĩ ga thirikari na rũhonge rwa andũ kĩũmbe rũrĩa rũheanaga motungata maya.
We finally must get it right at the dispensary. We must get it right at the health center. And we must get it right at the bottom of the pyramid. The crisis we have today in our referral facilities is because there is a shortage of health professionals at the dispensary. There is no drugs at the dispensary. And it will cost us less. It will make it that much more accessible if we made it available at the bottom of the pyramid. And that seems to be what you as professionals are telling us. We can reduce significantly the cost of deploying our health by making sure that health records are available. We just need a mechanism, and it is not rocket science because it's done by other countries, of making sure that there is health records confidentiality. We must have a competitive, transparent, stakeholder-driven procurement of all our health commodities. We just must do it. It's been done in the energy sector. We have some of the most competitive oil prices because of the nexus between the private sector and government in the procurement in that sector. We can deploy the same in the provision of our health commodities.
Kogena mũtongoria ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga aramatha kura gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Fafi kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Garissa kũrĩa aumagarĩtio nĩ atongoria angĩ a ngwatanĩro ĩyo akĩũria aikari makamũikiria kura hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano kĩa mweri wa kanana kũrĩa augĩte thirikari yake nĩgateithia aikari a kaunti cia rũgongo rwa bũrũri harĩ tabarĩra cia kũmateithia na gĩthomo, ũrĩmi wa mĩmera na nginya maĩ hamwe na nginya kũmahe insurance ya mahiũ mao. Tũgũtwara kũu na njĩra ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe tuthikiririe maria atongoria ya matwareire muigi wa rugongo rwa bururi.
Ninyang'anya gavana yangu wa Wiper anaitwa Nadhif Jama, lakini mimi nina furaha tele kusema huyu gavana ni gavana wa Azimio, si namna hiyo? Kwa hiyo kwa roho safi na wasii mnisaidie gavana Nadhif aendelee kuwa gavana wa Garissa, na mnisaidie nao kijana Yusuf Haji. Yusuf Haji ni mzee mwenye imani na Mungu amlaze vyema. Kuna watu ambao kuna hiyo damu ya uongozi, lazima tuwachunge vile vile. Mimi sijatoa uamuzi wa maana ni Raila na Martha Karua leo. Hayo mengine msawasishe nyumbani hapa, na ndugu yangu Farah atanipa report kamili. Asanteni, Mungu awabariki.
Haya, Dadaab oye! Dadaab oye! Dadaab oye! Sasa kabla nataka kualika deputy president wetu, unajua
Ashini atongoria moho wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance makiuha muige kuria rugongo rwa bururi. Nitukumenyeria ripoti na njira ndikiru mohoro-ini maito mainoro hwaine na nginya thaa ithatu. Kugina ku muikariri giti wa commission ya kuhurana ungumani guku bururi-ini Twalib Mbarak augete commission yo ndiganaire na itua ria commission ya ithurano IEBC ria kuhitukia ateti aria magwetanitio na maroro ma ungumania na indo cia muige. Twalib arĩtie hĩndĩ ya mũcemanio wa maabitha a commission iyo na atongoria a dini makiarĩrĩria maũndũ makoniĩ meharĩrĩria ma gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mweri wa kanana.
Here in this country, you have people with fake papers and they have the guts to come and abuse institutions. Chest thumping, saying they have degrees. How can you have a degree and you don't know your classmate? If you're asked, mention one classmate of yours, you don't know. I don't know, maybe in theology you study a degree without anybody. It's you and your God only. Maybe you can tip me. So this is where we have reached in this country. You have crooks who are now aggressive, fighting the systems. You have a fake academic paper and you have the guts to call the CEO, EACC, wewe unanimaliza. Get the point? I've been called. The good thing is that the top leadership of this country, the main presidential contestants, they never interfered with the commission when we talked about the names. Nobody called, but some of those people who are lifted, they call and say, unanimaliza. And you know the guy doesn't have a degree. But people now are taking advantage over the legal systems, and that is why we say we should not give up. We should support IBC, we should support ESCC, we should support the judiciary, and we should support the citizen, because the citizen, I think there's an element of ignorance that the citizen don't know that they are the most powerful people through the vote. Because the vote of a poor man and the vote of a tycoon, the weight is the same.
Tugucokia kuria kaunti-ini ya Garissa gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Fafi kuria mwaho wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya matwarite kambeini ihinda rĩrĩ munini kana mutirithia wa Odinga oraria tuthikiririe mĩario yake.
Kwa kila Mkenya, enzi ya kunyanyaza haki za Wakenya wengine itaisha. Mambo ya kuchukua vijana kuwatorosha na hawapatikani tena itaisha. Kama ni mpahalifu apelekwe kotini, tusikize kesi, ahudumiwe kisheria. Lakini mauaji ya kiholela tumekataa, na serikali ya Azimio itakomesha hiyo mara moja. Tunataka watoto wote wa Kenya, mahali popote wamezaliwa, wapate elimu sawasawa na wenzao mahali zingine. Tunataka huduma za matibabu siwe ni sawa, kama ni mahospitali iwe kila mahali na dispensaries. Tunataka tukisema Kenya ni moja na watu ni wamoja, mambo yote iwe ni sawa. Tunataka tujilishe kama wa Kenya. Tunaambiwa sehemu nyingi
ucio nĩ mũtiririe wa Raila Odinga marĩ kũrĩa mwena wa Garissa. Turekere nĩ gathĩna kau kanini ga kĩmĩtambo. Nĩtũgũkora riboti na njĩra ndikĩrwo na cihanda thaa 1 na nginya thaa 3. Nĩho tũgũkinyia mũthia matemo ma mohoro marĩa tumana mo. Tũcemanie rĩngĩ ona cihanda thaa 1. Gĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũcoki.
Kiambu Marina Gardens marakwenderia na thogora wa 3.2 million na mirihire ni mihuthu